Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the backwoods of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie, garage flip garage, whatever? Yeah, have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? And have you ever heard of my boy Dave, the Tesla picker? But it's Kevin, and I'm here to say that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, this Kevin, from St. Louis. I've been picking forever, but I've been selling on eBay since 2002. We're going to go over some of the stuff that I sold. I sold like 13 things yesterday, and we're going to go over some of them. First off, we're going to, I've sold these vintage sprinkler, things right here. Yeah, I sold them in packs of 3. Whoa, fell down. Packs of 3 for $55. Here's 3 of them. Rainbird pop-up sprinklers. I bought these a long time ago. I think I paid $3 a piece for them at Goodwill. $55 they sold for. And next up, we got hold on a minute. We got Taking hybrid PlayStation 3. We go over that. Should be down here somewhere. Tekken 3. Here it is right here. Tekken 3. Yeah. Sold that for, let me see them for. That sold for $19.50. You guys know I charge like $2 shipping sometimes. I got $2 shipping on that. Let me see what else. So I got that packed up already. Okay, I sold a hat, Southern Pacific hat. Return you. Let me get this hat band down. Hat band right here. Get this down. I'm gonna find another system, y'all. What the hell? I can't get this down. There you go. Let's use both hands so y'all looking at the ceiling right now. Okay. It's the only hatband I got. So it's got to be in here somewhere. Southern Pacific is black, so I'm looking at all the black hats. That's not it. Yeah, that's it, right there. Southern Pacific hat. It says sold for $17.50. Put this back up later because I can't record and hold this stuff like y'all do. So I don't know how y'all do that. But anyway, hold on a minute. Let me pick this lid up. No, I'll just leave it down there. What the hell? And next up, we got a set of pencils, vintage pencils. That should be over here somewhere. Here they are, right here. Right here. Y'all see my system? All my system, my stuff fall and everything. These vintage pencils never been sharpened. It's sold for $30. Two. on back over. And what's next is I already packed the lawnmower throttle up. You know I sell those. I got the Raven packed up. I got the Punko Pop packed up. The next game is that. Remember I showed y'all those Star Wars computer games. The one I told you sold for $35, I sold it for $33. And let me see if I can find it. I think it's over here with these games. Is this Star Wars Assault? Oh, that's Divided. Star Wars Divided. Here it is right here. Star Wars Divided. That's sold for $33. Okay. And I got Sonic the Hedgehog PS3. Should be over here somewhere. Sonic the Hedgehog. There it is right there. Right here. Sonic the Hedgehog. Okay. Now let's see what else I got. Star Wars 2. Star Wars 2 GameCube. Star Wars 2 GameCube. Now that should be up here somewhere. It's all PS2. You got the GameCube games right here. That's it. Brand new GameCube game. That one sold for $35. $35 brand new. That's how much that sold for. Next up is PS2 game Overkill Extended Cut. That's over. These are the used games over here, y'all. That's how I know it's over here somewhere, because it's a used game. Here it is right here. Overkill. Okay, the rest of the stuff is packed up over there, see? So, I just got to pack these things up right here. I got a hat. I sold a micro machine. You guys don't know, but I like micro machines. I sell micro machines. And I sold a little micro machine airplane. It sold for $9.99. I gotta go downstairs and get that micro machine bin and get that out of there. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to make a quick video on what I sold, and I'm gonna make another video because I picked up a whole lot of stuff from Goodwill, and one of the things I'm gonna show you. One of the things I picked up. I just listed this morning. Y'all see these? See this? It's a Justice League. Justice League vinyl dial, or whatever you want to call it. I saw they had the Superman and they had the Flash, but they wasn't selling. I paid $20 for this. You guys know I don't pay that much money for stuff. They had all of them for $20. The Superman wasn't selling, and the Flash sold for $39. So that ain't that much money. This right here sold for selling for $99. The Green Lantern selling for $99. So I paid $20 for this. And hopefully it'll sell for $20. But anyway, I just want to show y'all some of the stuff I done picked up. You know, I'm going to make another video because I got bags and bags of stuff that's over here. See those bags? I got bags of stuff that I picked up the other day. And I'm going to go ahead and sort through that stuff and just make a video about that stuff. Yeah, I just got out the bed, y'all. You know, I'm kind of I'm not my wherever you say the word. I'm not myself. So I'm just, kind of chilling right now. But anyway, you guys stay safe and wear your mask. I don't care what nobody say. You got the videos on YouTube with people always talking about their rights, but they don't want nobody else to have a right. You got a right to wear your mask if you want to wear it. You got people spitting on people because they're wearing a mask and all this stuff. They need to get a life. I got a right to wear a mask. I want to wear a mask every day, all day, and we didn't have no disease. I can wear a mask if I want to. I'm not understanding people. But anyway, you guys have a good day, and I just want to make this quick video, and just I don't even know what else to say. You know what I'm saying? Because this world is messed up out here. But anyway, y'all take it easy, and remember, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you don't, subscribe, whatever, and you guys take it easy and stay safe. And I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.